nojo ngathi adela umalandela abasekhonopha ngoba ubone elikhulu ushalela amashanofa embiza ikafala imiphumela sasoyithola ngomsuku ukhetheleza ukugisa ingcathevu zamabhuku ziphanga umthombo nobe ephuzela emgolweni ukuyezekile uhlelo liphele naye sesothulile isikukula senkanyamba esikukula izifo zonke usongena esitondeni sabibhika senamahlula bondodathi
Dumani yadumezizweni isihlahla somdlebe nontela msimba phetshe mfazane empalahlizwe zamadoda bomvu nabasethethe nabasenyimba nemkhonto kwazi kazi ndaba ikhalamanzi dictionary ndaba ititi umndeni ngalunywa njengaphethe nduku ngathi ngiyafulela kwaneka siqugula mdalelo lihlale emoshana nginibingelele nonke bafowethu eSouth Africa naphesheya kwelwandle bafowethu akikho mude ngizochaza kakhulu kabanzi ngale ndaba ye-medical voucher okuyi-medical voucher noma ngithi okuyi-medical aid yakakhehlelezi noma yasemafamasi nisixolele kakhulu sisazothanda ukuyimisa kancane because kunento esisayisebenza enye into is a disadvantage because uthola ukuthi umuntu akakhokha but mayesefuna ukuzothenga izinto efamasi ukhokha for that month abuye neslip abuye athi nakho ngicela ukuthatha izinto zika 3000 noma zika 500 of which we find it very difficult ukuthi izinto ezinjalo sizenze so ke there is another way esizama ukuthi siyenze ngayo ukuthi it must work better for both of us. I must benefit and also a client must also benefit. So sibese sithi thina maybe into esizoyenza kokuqala sizoqala sithi masiyisebenza soyisebenza from the side of Dr. K Funeral sithi uma okumasingcwabisane wethu then we'll also see ukuthi what benefits can we give you maybe as an extra to say these are the benefits that you are enjoying. I'm not saying sizotithatha mahala but we will see what we do with our clients because we do have loyal clients abakwi funeral parlor yethu of which is Dr. K Funeral cover sithi sikungcwaba ngestyle sikungcwaba ngezinga eliphezulu we go all over la esithi thina mawufuna ukungcwatshwa khona unoma ukungcwatshelwa khona of which abanye sebekhohliwe ngeDr. K Funeral mawufuna ukuthola ke 071 130 7808 khona ke abanye abaqhamuka sebeboleka imoto sicela nisiboleke imoto convoy no we cannot do that mawujoyine umasingcwabisane wethu sizokuzana show ukuthi sikhiphe imoto ngendlela enumngcwabo wakho siwenza ube sezingeni ozolithanda mawukuthi uyi-artist sizophelezela ngendlela yakho mawukuthi uyiphara sizophelezela ngendlela yakho mawukuthi ubuyidokotela siyenza show so into esisho ukuthi if medical voucher sisayimisile kwamanje lento kade uyikhokhile last month was the last one ngisho nasesigodlweni ungafikisa ukuthi ngine voucher mina ngicela ukungena no sisakumisile lo but ngicabanga ukuthi yasesigodlweni we will announce soon esizothi niqhubeka kanje esigodlweni because abaningi ibasebenzela umuntu akafuna ukulayina akafuna ukwenza ini ufuna ukujomba phambili of which is a good thing bese abazokhumbula ukuthi ngolwesi umgqibelo ngisebenzele uJozi this Saturday I will be in Joburg epharmacy yami lapha na ku Fox Street CCMA building so bengisebenzela khona this Saturday kanti ngolwesine ebusuku from 5 p.m. ngizongisebenzela eSoweto 379 Bilicane Street ungabhukha ke this number ngizokunika yona inamba nje mawuse gold you always make ama bookings akho khona if ever you've got a complaint ngokuthi mina call center bangiphathi kahle abantu aba-answer amafoni abangiphathi kahle don't hesitate ukuthi enambeni yami nje WhatsApp wami my direct WhatsApp 071 130 7808 WhatsApp usho ukuthi enambeni nje ngithola uzibani akenzi kahle abasiphenduli kahle kufanele bakuhloniphe inamba yaseGold always where you do your bookings it's 066 00 266 33 kanti I think ngomhla ka 1 June kune video engizoyiphosa nje manje engizochaza ngento ezokwenzeka manje nje.